To check voicemail messages on POCO M8, you can go to the phone app. Over here we can switch to the keypad at the bottom, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. This allows you to quickly check if anyone has left any messages, and if someone did, then you will be able to immediately listen to them. Now, besides that, if you cannot reach voicemail by pressing and holding number 1, you can go to the home page, tap on these 3 dots in the upper left corner, and go to settings. After that, in the settings, we can go to the voicemail in here, and then tap on your SIM if needed, go to advanced settings, and you might need to fix the voicemail number because it might be empty or it might be incorrect. You can Google that information in order to find out what is the voicemail number of your operator, or you can try to contact your operator and ask them about it. Subscribe to my channel.